Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the Shargeek Storm2 Slim Battery. And you just hold down this button and it will turn on. There you go. Has an Oled screen and it looks really neat. We'll get a little closer so you can see the screen and what it has to offer. If you just hold this down, you can go through its different menus. So do that now. And then we'll cycle back through one more time. See, it does it really quickly. Okay, we'll turn it off and then we'll turn it back on so you can see how that works. There we go. And then you have the 2 ports right here, USB-A that is out only and USB-C that's in and out. And do 130 watts maximum output right there. It offers 72 watt hours, airline safe of battery power. There you go. And then on this side, here's some additional details, which will be in the description. Okay. And again, the very cool features of this is the high-end OLED screen, single button interface, 2 ports, and the see-through. Very cool. It's so see-through. You can see the batteries that are inside. So it says airline safe, but because it's see-through, I personally wouldn't leave it open like this. You can use the carry case that comes with it right there. So that's a nice carry case. And they also include a USB-C to USB-C charging cable in yellow. I like the bright yellow color of this charging cable, and it comes in a nice box as well. They have several different models of this Storm 2 battery. This is the slim model, and they have a larger one as well. This is 72 watt hour capacity. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.